Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in music sentiment, with a score of plus 0.41 and momentum at plus 0.38, indicating a surge in positive feelings towards music that we haven't witnessed in recent history. This data suggests that something significant is happening, perhaps a viral hit, or a trending artist, driving collective excitement. Our API provides you with a comprehensive analysis of these sentiments, breaking down the data into semantic clusters to give you a clearer picture of what's resonating with listeners. For instance, you could use this insight to tailor your music playlist recommendations for users, boosting engagement and satisfaction. Want to dive deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage sentiment data to elevate your projects.